Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's digital landscape, the dream of making $1 million online is not just a fantasy but a viable goal, even with limited resources. From e-commerce to digital marketing, the internet offers unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to innovate and persevere. Join us as we explore the essential strategies and mindset shifts that pave the way to achieving your online success. Welcome to your journey towards financial freedom, where ambition meets opportunity, and where your path to $1 million begins now. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Identify a niche where there is demand and less competition. Research trending topics, popular products, or services that solve common problems. 2. Create a valuable product or service. Develop something that addresses the needs of your target audience. This could be an ebook, online course, software, or a unique service. 3. Build a website or platform. Establish an online presence through a website, blog, or e-commerce store. Use platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix to set up your site. 4. Grow your audience. Utilize digital marketing techniques such as SEO, search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, and email campaigns to attract and retain customers. 5. Monetize your audience. Implement monetization strategies such as selling your product or service, affiliate marketing, advertising, or offering memberships/subscriptions. 6. Scale up. Once you start earning, reinvest in your business to scale up operations. This might include hiring help, investing in better marketing tools, or expanding your product line. 7. Diversify income streams. Explore multiple revenue streams to reduce dependency on any single source of income. This could involve branching into different products, services, or affiliate programs. 8. Stay persistent and adaptive. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Stay committed, learn from setbacks, and adapt your strategies based on market feedback. 9. Network and learn. Connect with others in your niche, learn from successful entrepreneurs, and stay updated with industry trends to stay competitive. 10. Legal and financial considerations. Ensure you comply with legal requirements for online businesses, such as taxes, regulations, and protecting intellectual property. 11. Optimize conversion rates. Continuously test and optimize your sales funnel to improve conversion rates. This includes refining your website design, copywriting, and checkout process to reduce friction and increase sales. 12. Use data analytics. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior on your website. Analyzing data such as traffic sources, user demographics, and conversion rates can help you make informed decisions to optimize your marketing efforts. 13. Offer excellent customer service. Provide exceptional customer support to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns, and solicit feedback to improve your products or services. 14. Invest in paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising channels such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or influencer partnerships to accelerate your customer acquisition efforts. Start with small budgets and scale up based on performance. 15. Create high-quality content. Develop valuable content such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, or webinars that educate, entertain, or solve problems for your target audience. Quality content can attract organic traffic and establish you as an authority in your niche. By combining these strategies with persistence, creativity, and a focus on delivering value to your customers, you can increase your chances of achieving your goal of making $1 million online.